Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on Advanced Features and click on one-handed mode over here. Then click on this word and pick one of the options to reduce display size with. I will go with buttons, I have to click on it and follow the instructions. Double tap Home button. So when I do that, icons that one-handed mode is now turned on. If you want to change placement of the screen, you can always tap on this icon over here. And if you want to go back, tap on the blank area. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, go back into the same settings and tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!